Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we are going to explain our prototype of our project, which is human, which is for your engine, which we are done. Very good. And as you can see, there are two models, which is first one is login and second one is service. When you click on the login, you can see username, password, and second one is your click on server also. Here we are going to see email, and you can place your, you can submit your email by using this. And click on submit. You're going to write your email password inside. Since you are going to again relog in your password. If I go to our website, you can sign up. You can sign up. So using this name, address, and email, again and OTP and password, you are going to sign up. You are going to sign up to our website. Once after that, you can click on home button. Here you are going to see our services. Services we provide in our hotel is 24 security and tourist-based support, and we are going to provide healthcare checkup also in my hotel. It is free. After that, you can again click on to your home, and we are going to know about what we have done, what we are going to do in our hotel. What we have done very good things in our hotel, which we are going to spend in our hotel very new time and space. Again, you can go into on our homepage, friends. After that, you are going to see rooms. Here we are going to provide so many rooms which we are going to be. They are four different types of rooms. First one is elections, second one is on elections. So when you click on book room, here you are going to apply for your conference. So this is the web page of again you are going to click on your home page. So this is our web page of our hotel management. Thank you, friends.